How to use Unova Document Management. Unova Document Management allows you to store all your digital files and documents in an organized and structured way so that it becomes easy to access, retrieve, and share documents with other members in an effortless manner. Once you have logged into Unova, click Documents. You will see the interface of Unova Document Management, which is well structured and offers two views to arrange the folders. One is Grid View and the other is Details View. In Grid View, the folders are arranged in horizontal manner, where you can locate the folder based on their name, whereas in Details View, the folders are arranged vertically with detailed information like title, type, size, and name of the person who created them. At the bottom of the list is Display Num, which gives you the flexibility to choose the number of folders to be shown on the page. On the left side, you will see a panel with features like Documents Tree, Search Documents, and Recycle Bin. If you wish, you can hide and unhide the panel with one simple click. On top right side of the folders, there are different buttons. To refresh the page, click Refresh. And to come to the main page of folder, click Up. To create a folder, click Create Folder. And to delete any of the folder, click Delete. Unova Document Tree offers a hierarchical structure to arrange folders. Here, you can see the folders are arranged in alphabetical order to make it easy to navigate through different folders and locate the files or documents that you are searching for. You can also use the Unova Search Documents feature to search for the files or documents. To narrow down your search and save time, this feature is very handy. Suppose I want to find a zip folder with name K-Secure System plugin. In Joomla extensions, then I will select Joomla extensions as parent folder. I will select the name of the person who uploaded the folder. Here it is WikiJan. Then I will use the keyword K-Secure. And since I am not sure about the file size, I will keep it to maximum. Then I will select the file extension as zip. I can see the zip folder I am searching for on the right hand side. You can also use the individual parameters of search documents feature like parent folder created by keyword, size, or file extension to find the folders or files you are looking for. The Recycle Bin shows the list of deleted files and folders. If you want to restore a file or folder, select the file or folder and click Restore. Creating a folder is simple and easy. Once you are on the Unova Document Management page, on the right hand side, you can see the option to create a new folder. Click Create Folder. You will see a pop-up with Add Edit a folder. Here I will show you an example on how to create a specific folder. Suppose I want to create a folder with a name CRM Reports. Then I will write CRM Reports in folder name. Add the description about the folder. Consolidated CRM Reports 2014. Then I will select who can access my folder. Here I select Employees. Then I will give access to who can view my folder. Here I will give view access to selected people like Vicky, Priyanka, Birendranath, and Pooja. Also, I can control who can upload files or documents to this folder by giving them upload access. Here, I will give upload access to same set of people: Vicky, Abhay, Birendranath and Pooja. I will keep the edit and delete access with myself and hence will select the option only me. Now I will click submit and we see that a folder created successfully message. Now you can see that a folder named CRM reports have been successfully created in the document section. Adding files to a folder is fast and quick. Hover the mouse pointer on the newly created CRM reports folder. You can see three options. The first is the green button with plus sign. Clicking on this button will allow you to add files to this folder. The second option allows you to edit the folder. And the third option, which is a red color button with minus sign, allows you to delete the folder. In case if you accidentally delete any file or folder, you can restore it from recycle bin. Now let us see how to add a file to this newly created folder. Click on the green button with plus sign. You will see a pop-up with a message, Upload files in CRM reports. Click Add files. You can now browse for the file that you want to upload. You can see your file get uploaded to the CRM reports folder. The pop-up also shows different information regarding that particular file, like its title, description, view access, edit access, and delete access. Once the uploading is done, click Save. You get a message, File saved successfully. You can also use the drag and drop feature to upload a file. Let us see how it works. Select the file that you want to upload. Drag it and drop it here. And once the uploading is done, click Save. You will get a message, File saved successfully. You can upload multiple files and click Save All to save them. You can also use Cancel Upload to discontinue the upload process. Now you can go to the CRM folder and check the files that you have uploaded. The detail view gives all the information about the uploaded folder, like title, type, size, and the name of the person who uploaded it. If you want to share any file that you have uploaded to vendors, partners, reseller, or clients who don't have access to Unova, then you need to click on the file that you want to share. You will see a pop-up with a message, Document Detail. Click on Email this and add the recipient's email IDs and write a message, Hi, please find the CRM report March 2014 and click Send Mail. The recipient will receive a mail with a direct download link through which they can download the file. This is one of the easiest way to send files and collaborate among external partners.